Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering and preparing the device. Plug the iPad into a charger and power it on with the side button. Once done, choose your language and region so settings match local services. Make sure to join a Wi-Fi network now. That lets Apple verify activation and download updates. If you have a cellular model, set up the SIM or eSIM during this step so cellular data is ready. These first moves unlock installation steps and keep setup smooth. Now configure your Apple ID and core security. Sign in to enable iCloud, App Store purchases, and device syncing. Next, set up Face ID or Touch ID plus a strong passcode so your data is protected and authentication is fast. Make sure iCloud backup is enabled. It saves settings and app data automatically. While here, adjust display brightness, true tone, and notification preferences so the iPad behaves how you like. These choices determine privacy, recovery, and finish by tailoring the iPad to your workflow. Download key apps, sign into streaming or productivity services, and pair accessories like Apple Pencil or a keyboard. Once paired, test gestures and shortcuts so you move fast. Check cameras, microphones, and speakers, then update iPad OS to the latest release to get performance and security fixes. If something breaks, restart the iPad first. If network issues persist, reset network settings. These final checks ensure readiness and simplify troubleshooting if problems appear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.